Everyone knows that quality real estate photography is an essential part of any listing. However, buyers still need to understand where each room is located to understand if the home is right for them. This is where interactive floor plans come in. Now, of course, they'll give you an overview of each level of the home with room labels and measurements like any standard floor plan. But the magic of interactive floor plans is in these little green markers. These are the listing photos integrated into the floor plan, showing you the location and the orientation of each photo, and it's all done automatically with artificial intelligence and delivered to agents ready to go. You'll also notice another set of blue markers on the floor plan, which is a complete virtual tour that's also integrated with floor plan, just like the listing photos. And you can switch between all these media types in one seamless interface for a fully immersive experience. Buyers love it, and it's included with every real estate photography package through Listing Media Services, brought to you by ShowingTime Plus.